Pour this black mixture down the drain, and you'll be surprised by what's hiding inside your pipes. It will never clog or smell bad again. A clogged sink can be a real nightmare. Over time, food scraps, grease, soap, and other buildup can accumulate inside the pipes, causing unpleasant odors and slowing down water drainage. Start by removing the drain strainer to get better access to the inside of the pipe. Then run a small amount of water to moisten the inside of the drain and help the ingredients work more effectively. The next step is to pour a generous amount of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda helps neutralize unpleasant odors and supports the loosening of buildup inside the pipes. Use a small stick to gently push it deeper into the drain. Now pour in a generous amount of dish soap. Its job is to break down grease and help prevent new residue from sticking to the pipe walls. Use the stick again to gently mix the ingredients. Next, pour in a large amount of vinegar. Vinegar helps dissolve some mineral deposits, and when combined with baking soda, it creates an intense fizzing reaction that helps loosen dirt and buildup inside the pipes. The bubbles help move and break apart trapped residue. Wait a few minutes, then run warm water. Warm water helps flush away dissolved grease and remaining buildup, cleaning the inside of the pipes. Close the sink drain and fill the sink with water. Add a few drops of iodine and mix the water thoroughly. Iodine can help reduce unpleasant odors coming from the drain. Then release the water. Your sink will be cleaner, fresher, and free from unpleasant smells. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain, and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the lime scale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Lime scale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and lime scale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to save your sink. This simple home trick works quickly and effectively. It removes bad odors, dissolves buildup, and kills bacteria. Over time, grease and food scraps collect in the drain, causing unpleasant smells and clogs. That's why you should prepare a mixture that fixes it in just minutes. Take a tall container. The first ingredient is lemon juice. You'll need about half a cup. Lemon refreshes, removes lime scale, and has antibacterial properties. The second ingredient is about half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease, breaks down dirt, and reaches tricky spots. The last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt disinfects, acts as a natural cleaner, and helps clear the drain. Mix everything into a thick paste. Remove the strainer and get the drain ready. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It immediately starts working, neutralizing residue and odors. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of your prepared mixture. Put the strainer back and pour hot water over it. After a short while, open it again and watch how smoothly the water flows. In just moments, your drain works like new. The bad smell is gone, the sink is clean, and the water flows freely. A simple trick that makes a big difference. You won't believe how this simple trick can unclog your drain in just a few minutes. Plumbers never share this secret. Clogged drains are a common issue. Food scraps, grease, and buildup collect inside the pipes. But there's an easy fix. First, scoop all the water out of the sink into a bowl or a bucket. Remove the strainer and sprinkle in a few tablespoons of table salt. Salt works as a natural cleaner. It breaks down residue and disinfects. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it straight into the drain opening. This helps the salt reach the tough spots inside the pipes. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a homemade mixture. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a protective layer so grease and grime won't stick easily to the pipe walls. Next, pour in about 3½ ounces of any dish soap. Dish soap dissolves grease and lifts dirt. Mix well until the Vaseline melts completely. Use this mixture to clean the entire sink and faucet. It will polish, remove stains, and protect against water spots. Then pour the rest down the drain. The combination of these ingredients prevents grease and food scraps from clinging to the inside of your pipes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with water. With this simple method, your sink will stay unclogged, odors will disappear, and your pipes will have a protective coating. Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Don't throw away your used tea bag. It has a hidden function. Watch what happens. Very few people know this trick, and I'm sure you had no idea about it. Let me show you. Prepare your tea as usual. Put the tea bag in a cup or glass and pour in hot water. Drink the tea and set the bag aside. Wait until you've collected a few of them, because that's when this trick works best. Put the used tea bags in the sink, but of course not new ones, only those you've already used for making tea. Place them directly into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and pour the boiling water over the tea bags. Leave them like this overnight for the best results. In the morning, simply take them out of the sink and throw them in the trash. Your drain will be like new, with no unpleasant odors coming from it. This trick with used tea bags costs practically nothing, which is why it's worth trying.